Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best telephoto lens for iPhone 16 Pro Max you can buy on Amazon. Link are in the description. Do check them out. Welcome to the ultimate guide on finding the best telephoto lens for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love capturing life's moments, the right telephoto lens can elevate your mobile photography game. With enhanced zoom capabilities and impressive image quality, these lenses offer the versatility needed to shoot stunning landscapes, detailed portraits, and dynamic texture change. Stay tuned as we reveal our top pick, which is sure to enhance your photography experience. Plus, be prepared for a random number that signifies our best product recommendation. Don't miss it. So let's get started. On number 4. NEEWER HD telephoto lens only for 17mm thread backplate. Capture breathtaking shots like never before with the 7x telephoto lens attachment for your phone. This lens offers impressive 7x magnification, letting you snap sharp, detailed images from 5 meters to several miles away, ideal for wildlife, sports, and stunning landscapes. Whether you're at a concert or watching your favorite game, it can also function as a telescope or monocular, providing incredible clarity. Designed to fit 17mm thread lens attachments, this lens easily twists onto compatible phone case cages. Just make sure to pair it with the right backplates for the best fit. What sets this lens apart is its premium anti-reflective multi-coated HD optical glass. With 15 elements arranged in 12 groups, it guarantees high clarity, especially for close-ups. Plus, the lightweight, durable aluminium alloy shell ensures that you can enjoy extended shooting sessions without strain. A personal touch? Imagine capturing a majestic eagle soaring high above, or the intensity of a soccer match from the bleachers. All thanks to this incredible lens. To avoid shakes, be sure to tighten the 17mm threads and consider using a tripod for added stability. With this telephoto lens, the world is your canvas and stunning photography is just a click away. On number 3. NEEWER HD 16 telephoto lens, only for 17, thread backplate. Capture stunning shots with the 2x telephoto lens for your phone. This 6-time lens brings your subject closer, delivering sharp and detailed images ideal for wildlife, sports, and landscapes. It's compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 14, 13, 12 mini, and select Samsung Galaxy models. Just remember to disable the macro feature for optimal results. Mounting this lens is a breeze. It fits any 17mm threaded backplate on most phone cases or cages, making it a versatile addition to your gear. Plus, with an M43X 0.75 threaded front interface, you can attach filters like ND or CPL for more professional shots, though filters are sold separately. What sets this lens apart is its premium anti-reflective multi-coated HD optical glass, ensuring high clarity with every click. Designed with 6 elements in 5 groups, it produces clear and stunning images even in challenging conditions. Despite its robust aluminum alloy shell that's both durable and scratch resistant, the lens remains lightweight at just 3.6 ounces, perfect for extended use without fatigue. For anyone serious about mobile photography, this lens elevates your smartphone's capabilities. Whether it's capturing the beauty of nature or a thrilling sports event, this telephoto lens is a game changer for photographers on the go. On number 2. NEEWER HD 85mm telephoto phone lens, only for 17mm subscribes. Thread backplate. Unlock the power of your phone photography with this exceptional 2.5x telephoto lens. Designed for stunning portraits, wildlife shots, and dynamic landscapes, this 85mm lens is compatible with iPhone 15 Pro Max, 14, 13, and Samsung Galaxy's 24 Ultra, ensuring you capture every detail beautifully. What makes this lens a standout? Its advanced optical design features 6 groups and 8 elements, delivering sharp, high-definition images. Imagine zooming in to capture a hawk mid-flight, or the intricate details of a flower, all with remarkable clarity. Installation is a breeze. Simply twist it onto any 17mm threaded backplate of popular phone cages like Case or Small Rig. Plus, the M72 threaded front interface allows for easy attachment of filters, ND, CPL, you name it, for those who want to take their photography to a professional level. Built with a robust anodized aluminium alloy shell, this lens is not only durable but also resistant to rust and scratches. It's ready to accompany you on every adventure, whether you're hiking through the mountains or capturing memories at a family gathering. This lens transforms any ordinary phone into a photography powerhouse, proving that great shots don't require a bulky camera. With the right tools, anyone can create stunning imagery. Don't just take pictures, make art. Number 1, D22X long focus telephoto phone lens. This 32X HD cell phone lens is a game changer for photography enthusiasts. With its advanced anti-shake design, it delivers stunningly clear images, ensuring every shot is picture perfect. But it's not just a phone lens. It also doubles as a handy monocular telescope, making it perfect for outdoor adventures of bird watching. One of its standout features is the flexible fixture that fits both iPhone and Android devices seamlessly. No more worrying about compatibility issues. This lens adapts to your smartphone camera effortlessly. Plus, its compact size, just 3.7 inches long and weighing only 0.3 pounds, makes it incredibly portable, ideal for both adults and kids on the go. What's really impressive is the manufacturer's commitment to quality. Each lens is made from high-quality materials and comes with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with your purchase, a simple email is all it takes for a hassle-free return. In my experience, using this lens transforms everyday moments into stunning visuals. Whether you're capturing family gatherings or scenic landscapes, this lens elevates your photography game. If you're looking to enhance your mobile photography without breaking the bank, this 32X lens is a must-have accessory. Get ready to capture memories like never before. So guys, this was the video about the best telephoto lens for iPhone 16 Pro Max. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.